If you create videos, reels, or any kind of content, you already know how hard it is to find music that actually fits your vibe. So recently, I've been testing an AI tool that lets you generate custom music from simple text, lyrics, or even images, and the results have been honestly impressive. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Top Media AI. This AI tool generates not just music, but it has other features here. But for today, I'm going to basically be focusing on AI music generation. So in order to use Top Media AI, all you just need to do is to go to topmediaai.com, or you can find the link in the description below and it will take you directly to Top Media website. So once you get to their website here, you can either click on get started for free if you don't have an account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to proceed. So right here in Top Media website, as you can see, it contains a lot of other features. You can do AI video generation, AI music generation, text to speech. But for this particular video, I'm going to be focusing majorly on AI music. So you can see from these options here, I'm just going to click on AI music. One thing I like about this tool is that it gives you 3 simple ways to create music. As you can see here, it gives you lyrics to music. You can just paste your lyrics and to turn it to a full song, or you can either upload an image and then to create a music for you depending on the mood of that image, or you can simply just paste your prompts here. You can just describe the vibe that you want on the music and then it will turn that into a music. So today we're going to be testing these 3 options. So first of all, we're going to start with the lyrics. So I've already copied my lyrics and I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, this is my lyrics. I'll just go ahead to adjust other things here. So if I scroll down, you can here select an instrumental, but I don't want this to be an instrumental. So right here, you can select the style that you want. So you can say enter music style. So here the genre I want. So if you want a style, you can just put the style that you want here, but I'm just going to leave that empty for now. So right here, I'm just going to select pop, and then the vibe, I'm going to select hopeful, and then for this one, I'll just say electric piano, and then this I'll just say sunsets, and then this tempo I'm just going to say rhythm. Yeah, so that this is me just selecting random options, so you can do it based on what you want, so you can suit the style that you intend to get. So for this one, I'm just going to say a male, and then title of the song, and then the title of the song is City on Replay. So that's the title of my song. Sorry, I didn't spell this way. City on Replay. Yeah, so I think that's all the settings I need to do. So let me see if there's more settings here. So I don't want to adjust any of these, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hit on create. So from advanced settings here, you can see other options here, but I don't want to adjust any of these settings. I'm just going to leave it like this. So if I click on create music, you will see the results that it's going to give me. So now this is the results we got, and I'm going to play it so we can see what it sounds like.
Yeah. Late nights, bright lights, we still here. City on replay. Yeah, I came up quiet, but my mind been loud. Writing these lines while they sleep in the crowd. Late night thoughts, phone screen glow, trying to turn ideas into something they know.
So as you can see, this is like a proper rap song, and this is particularly the style of music that I love to listen to. So we have a second option here. So let me play this one and see. So I'm just going to forward it.
We still here.
City on replay, dreams never sleep. Heartbeat racing while the world moves deep. I've been on my grind, yeah, to stay. Same road, no vision. City on replay.
Yeah, I came up quiet, but my mind been loud. Writing these lines while they sleep in the crowd. Late night thoughts, phone screen glow, trying to turn ideas into something they know, no handout.
Whoa, as you can see, I'm currently vibing to this song and I love this. I actually love music that have like a lady doing the chorus, and then we have a guy, rapping to the verse. So I really love this one, and this is like perfect for me. So I'm going to proceed next to the second option that we have here. So we have image to music. So I'm going to find an image in my PC, and then I'll try this option. So I finally found an image to use for this. So since we're in Christmas period, I decided to use this image. This is an image of a car with a Christmas tree on top of it. So I'm just trying to see what we can get with this. So hints, I don't know, I don't want to choose any of these hints. So let me just go inspiration. How do you want this song to feel? Let me just say happy and joyful. So I really don't have much to say for this now. So let me just say happy and joyful. For singing voices, I'm just going to use random. Advanced, I'm going to still leave everything like this. Yeah, so let me I'll click on create, and then we'll see what we'll get from this particular one. Yeah, so as you can see, our music is ready. So I'm going to preview this, and let's hear what it sounds like.
In the glow of twinkling lights, a little car rolls through the night with a tree on top, so bright and green, chasing dreams, living the scene. Joy is in the air, can you feel it rise? Laughter echoes under starry skies. Together we'll go, oh, let's celebrate.
Oh, whoa. As you can see, this sounds really nice, and it properly depicts the the happy mood and everything that is selected from here, and this is properly okay. It actually suits the picture. So yeah, this is very nice. So next up, I'm going to try the prompt to music AI, and I already generated the music here, but I'll just show you the prompts that I used. So this is the prompt I used, and I got this prompt from ChatGPT, including the first lyrics I used. I got all the prompts from ChatGPT. So if you want to get your prompts, you can just go back to ChatGPT and it will write a prompt for you. However, my prompt was cut short because it exceeded 180 characters. So if you want to get your prompt, I'm sure it's between 180 characters. But anyways, I'm just going to use this to create. I'm going to select a male, and then accept the other options. So I'm going to play the result I actually got from this.
Sunrise peeks through the mango trees. Oh yeah. Golden light dancing on the ocean breeze. Feet in the sand. Feel the earth so free. No worries, no troubles, just let it be.
Okay. So this is actually very cool. However, I only noticed that the voice was not a proper reggae person's voice. But anyways, I believe that can be adjusted from the prompts right here. So next up, I'm going to go ahead to try the AI cover. So let's see what this one does. So from this option here, you can see it says free AI song cover generator to create AI covers instantly. So as you can see, there are popular faces here, and I believe you can create a music that's you can use these characters to create a music by uploading your own particular track. So let's see. Oh, cartoon. Okay, so this shows cartoon characters. Anyways, you can explore any of these, but let me go back to all of these, and I'm just going to pick one of the popular artists here. So from this one, I'm going to pick Eminem, and let's see. So as you can see here, I've picked Eminem, and then it's like giving a profile of who Eminem is. So here now you can upload your track. So I'm going to upload a track here. or you can even paste a YouTube link and then it will create a cover that sounds like Eminem. This is chorus there, so you can even add somebody. So if you want to create Eminem featuring Selena Gomez, for example, you can go ahead and add and do all these things. You can explore these options, but for this one now, let me just try and create a solo, and then I'm going to upload my audio file here. So right here, as you can see, I've uploaded my audio file. So I'm just going to see if there's any other things to adjust. Right here, you can adjust the pitch, reverb. You can retouch any of these depending on your preference. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate AI cover, and then we'll see what this sounds like. Yeah, so as you can see, our music is done generating, and then we'll preview this to see what it sounds like. Let's see if this actually sounds like Eminem.
Yeah, grab every day. No sleep, just drink. Let's go. Let's talk, yeah. I keep my head up to the sky, taking my heart hustling my stride. I know our time will come alive. I make from more, I feel to keep inside. I feel blessed to see another day. I thank God, He the reason I'm living today. Straight out of bed, change my hustle. They gotta pay steady on the grid, cause there ain't no other way. Rest in peace to the comfort zone. Bro, I ain't gotta be lazy, I gotta change the tone. I see myself in high places, I'm chasing high stages. If it ain't no business, please don't call my phone. So the road is tough and long, but I've been walking all along. With every prayer I stand strong, I know I'm right where I belong. I keep
Okay. Yeah, this actually sounds like Eminem. It has the Eminem, voice like that. So I actually did very, very well. So if you see here, there's an option to download it, or you can like it, add this to your favorites. Yeah, this pretty much good. So you can go ahead and try Top Media AI and create amazing music for anything you want to do. It could be for your videos. If you edit videos, you could use it for your videos or any other thing. As you can see, there are other artists here. You can see Kanye West, Juice WRLD, and the rest. So you can explore this tool and ensure you create amazing music and feel vibe to your music and all that. So thank you for watching. I will continue exploring more tools like this, so ensure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos on graphic design, AI, and tech. See you in the next one.